First, AI learned to think. Then, it learned to learn. Now, it can see, smell, and even feel. This isn't science fiction. It's the beginning of synthetic humanity. Traditional AI processes data, but sensory AI experiences the world. Scientists are creating robots that see like eagles, smell like bloodhounds, and feel like humans. This is artificial sensory intelligence, and it's already in use. Tesla's AI vision mimics human perception in real time. DeepMind's lip-reading AI outperforms professionals. Surveillance bots analyze thousands of faces at once. And in healthcare, AI-assisted MRIs detect tumors earlier than ever. Olfactory AI technology, also known as digital olfaction, uses artificial intelligence to mimic and replicate the human sense of smell. This involves using biosensors to capture odor signatures and AI algorithms to analyze and classify these signatures, much like how the human brain interprets smells. This technology has applications in various fields, including healthcare, environmental monitoring, and even entertainment. MIT's digital nose detects diseases through breath samples. Konakukora sniffs out bombs in airports with near-instant accuracy. IBM's Scent AI flags spoiled food faster than labs. And in South Korea, robot dogs detect narcotics at borders. What about synthetic touch? Stanford's eSkin senses pressure, texture, even temperature. Japanese replica robots respond to hugs and handshakes. Smart prosthetics give amputees back the sensation of touch. China's AI massage bots adjust based on user reactions in real time. With these senses, AI enters a gray area between tool and being. Should machines be allowed to feel fear, pleasure, or pain? We're summoning something we don't fully understand. When does an intelligent sensory machine stop being a tool and start being something more? Synthetic humanity isn't coming. It's already here. The machines aren't just thinking. They're starting to feel. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about tech novelties.